Good morning students. Now class 7. Today you have to read about the image formed by concave mirror when object is at the focus. When object is at the focus, then which type of image is formed, real or virtual, and where is image formed? Now see here that this is the concave mirror. This is the concave mirror, you know, and the middle point of concave mirror, you know, that this is called pole. And here one center of sphere, that is center of curvature, and this is the line passing through the center of curvature and pole is called what? Principal axis. Now we see that half of CP is called the focus. Here, now the object is at the focus. Here see that there is the object is at the focus. AB is the object which is at the focus. Now the incident ray comes through the object which is parallel to the principal axis. This is the incident ray and this comes through the object. The ray is passing through the object, and this is the parallel to the principal axis. Now you know that when it is parallel to the principal axis, then what happens? Then this ray is passing through the focus. You know, by the condition, the law of reflection. This is the reflected ray. Understand? The ray which is parallel to the principal axis, that is passing through the focus, and this is the reflected ray, you know. Now a ray passing through the center of curvature, that is incident ray, comes through the center of curvature to the object. Here this is incident ray. This is the incident ray. Now you know when incident ray passing through the center of curvature, the reflected ray retraces the path. Now what? That reflected ray also comes through the center of curvature. Now it retraces its path. Now this is the reflected ray. This is the reflected ray. The incident ray goes through this path, and reflected ray also comes through this path. Understand? Now these are the two reflected rays. Now here this is the reflected ray, actual reflected ray, and we extend the ray. Ray coming as. Now we see that at infinity it forms the image. This is the principal axis. Now at infinity image is formed, that is AB dash image. Here you see the image formed at infinity. Here you see that both are the reflected ray. Now the image will be what? Real. Why? Because both are the actual reflected ray which intersect at the point here. And now at this point, that is, suppose that is the C point. Now at C point, image axis, and now this is the enlarged image for this is what type of image, that this is real. Why it is real? Because both are the actual reflected ray. Both are the actual reflected ray. They are not extended. Now real image will be real enlarged. You see here, that is enlarged image. This is the AB object and this is the image AB dash. And what type of real enlarged and what inverted or erect. What type? See here, this is the object. This is the object and this is the image. Now it is erect or inverted. You see here, that is inverted. Now the image is real, enlarged and inverted, and it is formed when object is at focus, then image is formed at infinity. What type of image? That is real, enlarged and inverted. Understand? Have you understood? That is when object is at focus, then image is formed at infinity. Now you see here that this is the object. It is at the focus. There are two rays, incident ray. That is, one is the parallel to the principal axis, that is this ray, and one ray is passing through the center of curvature. Now you know from the condition that when incident ray is parallel to the principal axis, then reflected ray must passes through the focus. Then now this is the reflected ray, and this is there when incident ray passes through the center of curvature. Now reflected ray retraces its path and comes in this path, and they meet at a point C where the image of AB is formed. You see here that this is inverted image. This is real because actual intersection. It is formed at actual intersection point. Now it is enlarged. Here you are seeing that this is the object, this is the image, and this is larger than the object. Now image is enlarged. Understand? Now when object is at focus, then image is formed at infinity and it is real, inverted and enlarged. Understand?